Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Fuel prices will see mixed movements effective tomorrow, with some categories seeing their lowest ex-refinery rate in more than a year. 87 gasoline will sell for $2.35 more. 90 will increase by $1.95. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will, however, sell for $4.50 less. The decline will take the cost of diesel to its lowest since the third week of November last year, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will reach its lowest price since March last year. Kerosene will go up by 25 cents, while $1.08 will be added to the cost of butane. Microcredit industry players are lamenting the slow pace of approval for licenses by the Bank of Jamaica. The issue was raised at the signing of a memorandum of understanding between the Jamaica Association of Microfinancing and Phoenix International. More in this report.
Chairperson for the Jamaica Association of Microfinancing, JAMFIN, Dr. Blossom O'Mealy Nelson, says so far too few institutions have received their microcredit license. They had a deadline of July 30, 2023 for those who were operating to apply to the Bank of Jamaica for a license under the Microcredit Act of 2021.
We're talking about 112 applications and that we know about. And how many more players that want to come on board.
Up to April 5, only 10 microlenders were listed as licensed under the new Microcredit Act. She says the process is affecting investment in the industry.
People are saying, but I don't know if I'm going to get a license. I want to grow. I want to partner. I want to introduce new systems. But suppose I do it and I don't get a license. What do I do? And I think it's very disingenuous on the part of the Bank of Jamaica to have people over a barrel like that. You know, you're just over a barrel because you don't know if you're going to get the license. Time is passing. You're losing opportunities. And it is bordering now on not being fair. So the BOJ has said they're going to meet with us, so we will see how that works.
The act, which was passed in 2021, brings the regulation of microcredit institutions under the Bank of Jamaica. It stipulates that new microcredit institutions cannot operate without approval from the central bank. Existing players which applied by the end of July last year were given a grace period to operate. Under the new act, operating without the requisite approval attracts a fine of up to 2 million Jamaican dollars and or up to 6 months in prison. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
The US dollar is being sold for an average $152.68. $114.39 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The pound is being sold for $189.32, while it's costing an average $169.74 for the euro. To the stock market now, the JSE index fell by 1,159 points today, while the junior market index lost 8 points. Among the winners, Margaritaville Turk's US dollar shares, Carbon Flavors and Fragrances, JMMB Group 5.75% US dollar CR preference shares, Key Insurance, and Access Financial Services. Losers include CAC 2000, Limnas and Bards, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Jamaica Public Service 7%, and Kingston Wharves. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.